Beautiful, isn't it? I have always wondered what life would be without any lights to illuminate the things around us. I know what you are thinking. Lights? I mean, come on. Well, you will understand in a bit. Welcome to Vlux. Behold, at Vlux, you never need to worry about your lighting ever again. Why? Because we are here to assist customers with their intrinsic needs and preferences. At Vlux, we are not only here to sell you the lights and call it a day. The point is we are here to guide homeowners to find the right lights for any rooms in the house. Believe me when I say that we have all the lightings that you will ever need. Plus, on top of that, there's a 3 years on-site warranty, no questions asked. If that is not enough to convince you, we also have 2 years of extended service warranty. It covers labor and transport. On top of that, 20% off your replacement. If you're working with Vlux, trust that you are in great hands.